time on a horse. He jumped and kicked and bit and scratched. I got booked off the course. And my daddy picked me off the ground and wiped away my tears. And said, you gotta get back on that horse, son. Now don't be afraid of fear. Life is like a rodeo ride. You just gotta hold on tight. And cowboy up. Cowboy up. You got to be smart. Don't lose your head. Use your heart. Don't be afraid to pray. And don't ever lose your faith. Just keep the truth in the middle, your head held high, and leave your pride behind. And cowboy up. When I was 16, I found myself in love with the rodeo queen. Thought she was sent from up above, until she rode right over my heart and left it in the dust. Well, I moped around for weeks on end. My cowgirl dreams were crushed. I guess love is like a rodeo ride. You just gotta hold on tight. Cowboy up. Cowboy up. You got to be smart, but don't lose your head. Use your heart. Don't be afraid to pray, and don't ever lose your faith. Just keep the truth in the middle, your head held high, and leave your pride behind.
Moving pretty good.
Cowboy up. Sometimes life can deal a hand that I just don't want or don't understand. No matter how hard the road, it's those times I've learned the most. Well, cowboy up. You got to be smart, but don't lose your head. Use your heart. Don't be afraid to pray, and don't ever lose your faith. Just keep the truth in the middle, your head held high, and leave your pride behind. Cowboy up. Just keep the truth in the middle, your head held high, and leave your pride behind. Cowboy up.